Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you so much. I am glad that I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages whichever I am getting for you. So this is your general reading for Feb 2021, and please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest, because this is a general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So while doing your this reading, before doing this reading, I was doing meditation and I was shuffling my cards, and the message which I was getting was that you have to use your intuitions, Aquarius. You are right now very intuitive. In my many deck, I was getting the High Priestess here. Okay, High Priestess was here. So right now you are very intuitive, and you have to use your intuitions, and you have to move in a forward direction. Okay, move in a forward direction. You do not have to stuck in a one place and keep waiting. No, you don't have to do that. You have to move in a forward direction like a chariot. Okay, move in a forward direction. That's the message which I was getting for you. Okay, you need to rise up, take charge of your life and move in a forward direction. That's the message which I was getting while doing meditation, while doing the shuffling of your cards, which I need to share with you. So that was the message which I got, and let's see what are the message which are there from these cards, which are there more messages. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world for Feb 2021 for this reading. And yeah, right, while shuffling of this deck also, I was looking this answer again and again, that you need to break the chain, Aquarius. You need to break the ancestral patterns and the karma which is, keep repeating in your generation to generation. You have to rewrite your future. Okay, you have to break the chain here. You have to break the chain, rewrite your future, break the ancestral patterns. Okay, you have to do your healing. Okay, you can do your ancestral healing also. So you have to do that. See again, leap of faith. That's right, I told you that you have to move in a forward direction. Use your intuition, take, and the Fool energy. Three energies I was getting was that Chariot, Fool and the High Priestess. This was the energy which I was getting for you. So yes, you have to take a leap of faith and you have to move in a forward direction. There is align your life, what is not aligned, and you need to change. See, so you have to break the ancestral patterns and the karma which is there, from generation to generation, and you have to align your life. You know better that what you need to change. There is something in which you have to make changes in your life, Aquarius. Okay, so you have to change your life, you have to align your life basically, and you have to take a leap of faith. You go first, then the universe will catch you. That's right, you have to take the first step, then the universe is here, then the God is there, the divine is there to help you out, but you have to take a leap of faith. Okay, you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. This is again the same message which I was getting. You have to share your voice, Aquarius. Okay, you have to share your voice. That means come out of the cave. There is a lot of things which you need to share with the world. You have beautiful knowledge inside of you. You have beautiful wisdom which you are carrying in your soul, which needs to get expressed. Okay, so right now you have to share your voice. Can you see? You have to get out of this cave and do your share your knowledge, express your knowledge to the world, because that knowledge will help the people around the world. Okay, because you are the knowledge, you are having a lot of knowledge and wisdom inside of you, and this is the time where you have to share your voice. Okay, so share your voice, share your wisdom, share your knowledge, whatever you are having inside of you, Aquarius. The world wants that knowledge. Okay, then there is inner temple devotion. Tune into the portal of your heart. See, I told you, you are having a lot of, can you see here, you are having a lot of knowledge inside of you, you are having a lot of wisdom. There is something in which you are getting 0550 was the recording reading time. You have to tune into the portal of your heart. Ask, there is a calling which is trying to, the universe is giving you some kind of calling. Okay, your heart is telling you something, but you are not, giving attention to that. So you need to tune in the portal of your heart and listen to the voice of your heart, that what is my heart is asking me to do, because you are the warrior woman. Okay, you are the warrior woman or the man, gender is not specific here. Okay, so you are the warrior man and you are the warrior woman, and I'm really proud of you, Aquarius, because I know you have gone through a lot of things, but still you are not giving up. You always, stand up and move in a forward direction, because you are the light. Okay, you are the light, and you are here on this planet earth to spread light. So there is the divine wants to ask you, the universe wants to ask you, that have you answered your deepest calling? See, again, there is lot of things which you need to express in in front of the world. You have to answer. 0707 was the recording reading time. You have to answer your deepest calling, Aquarius. There is a calling which is happening for you, but you just need to answer that call. Okay, so answer that call, Aquarius. There is some calling which is happening. You have to tune into the portal of your heart and you have to answer that calling here. Okay, so answer that calling. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Let me see two more. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Okay. You got the love, Hardian energy, codependency and boundaries. Some of you are still, fighting with that codependency issues and the energies of boundaries. Maybe you were in the toxic relationship, or you are having this pattern of codependency here, because here I'm having break the chain. Okay, so you have to break. If you're having any codependency or boundary issues, like you don't put any healthy boundaries around yourself, or you are having any codependent issues, so you need to break that chain, Aquarius. Okay, you have to solve this, and you are solving it. Okay, you already solving it, you already got that love, but just you need to do that. You have to work on your codependent issues. Okay, so because you are codependent, some of you are having some codependent issues in your life, which is going through from generation to generation. So you have to break that. You have to work on your codependent issues. Star brothers, ours, energy, protection, safety and trust. You're not alone. You are having star brothers with you. Okay, here I'm having, which will give you protection, loyalty, safety and trust. Beautiful, beautiful. There is messenger, Cyrus energy, bringing harmony and balance. See, you are not alone. You are not alone. Here I'm having, you are getting your harmony, you are getting your balance. You are not alone. You are getting beautiful messages, beautiful energies are there with you who are working with you. You just need to say yes to the change. See, again the same message has repeated, which was there in the previous reading also, that you need to jump in. Okay, Andromedan energy, this is the star seed energy. 1010 was the recording reading time. Many of you are, completing the cycles here. There is a lot of adventure which is coming for you. You just need to say yes. Some of you are the star seeds, some of you are the light workers, and many of you are the Andromedan energy. I don't have much knowledge about Andromedan. What is Andromedan? If you have, you can let me know in the comment section. But I know the light workers, I know the star seeds. Many of the Aquarius are the light workers, are the star seeds, because you are here with the soul mission to spread light, peace and harmony on the planet Earth. That's why divine has sent you on this planet Earth. So you just need to say yes to the adventure, because a lot of adventure is coming for you, Aquarius. You just need to jump in. Just need to take a leap of faith here. Take a leap of faith. Say yes to the change, because change is coming for you. You just need to say yes. Then there is empathic star seeds, energetic sovereignty, absorbing what not yours. Okay, so many of you are absorbing those energy which is not for you, Aquarius, and don't absorb, because that is not for you. Okay, let me read it out. I need to read it out from the book. I don't know why, but today I find that I need to, because energetically you are absorbing some energies which are not for you. You are here to shift the world through their physical presence alone. They don't need to do anything beyond being there. Thanks to the energetic change their physical presence causes, due to their highly sensitive nature, empathic starseeds can struggle with being on earth and in a physical body. Many are prone to addiction and depression, or tend to make mistake to other people feeling and moods for their own. Natural introverts, they tend to prefer spending time alone or in small groups. Crowds can be overwhelming for them. If this card appears, consider lightening the load energetically. Don't put yourself under such pressure to go out in the world. Be gentle with yourself. Allow extra time and care to recover energetically. Okay, if you're feeling pressure to keep up a certain pace, instead put on the brakes and treat yourself like a precious baby. Okay, this could be a phase you are going through, or simply you are being called to live your life. Okay, Aquarius, if your work involves giving to others, right now you are being called to keep something for yourself. Okay, so yes, you need to keep yourself, because you are energetically very highly sensitive here. So that was the message which I was getting for you. You have to take care of yourself like a precious baby, Aquarius. Okay, you have to create healthy boundaries around yourself. So that's the message which I was getting here. Thank you so much, Starseed Oracle, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? You need to release control, Aquarius. Release control here, surrendering to the journey. You need to surrender yourself and release the control. Okay, here I'm having, you need to take action with the passion. Here again there are 3 cards which are saying that you need to take action. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Valiant courage, take action with passion here. So yes, this is the message which I'm getting from 3 decks, that I told you that you have to take action, you have to take the charge and move in a forward direction, which I got in 3 of the decks. Take action with passion, Aquarius. Okay, keep your courage and move in a forward direction. You just need to say yes to the change. and take a leap of faith here. The universe will catch you. The three messages which is there. Journey by the moonlight, you have to believe in the magic, okay? You have to believe in the magic. And there is mystic healer. See, empathic star seeds and the mystic healer. Healing energy flows through you. I told you, many of you are the star seeds, the light workers. Aquarius, you are having the healing capacity inside of you. You can heal yourself, you can heal others too. So because you are having healing energy inside of you, healing flows within yourself. Some of you can be a mystic healer, okay? Healing energy flows through you. That's why you are very highly sensitive here. Solitude, in silence, peace prevail. Beautiful. Beautiful message. And there is embarrassing enthusiasm. Shout to the heavens with happiness. Okay? Shout to the happiness, shout to the heavens with the happiness. So these are the messages from this deck. Beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the colors. Lemon, access innovative thinking. Okay, access innovative thinking. You can use lemon also, okay, and you can use this color also. So you have to access innovative thinking. I told you, you are having a lot of knowledge and creativity. You are, you know, go down, I can say a go down of knowledge and wisdom and creativity and innovative thinking, because you are Aquarius. So you have to access your innovative thinking. And there is coral, allow flow and synchronicity in your life. You can use this color too. So these are the two colors which I am having here. Beautiful colors. Thank you for giving the beautiful colors. Let's add some messages. See, I was doing the shuffling and was getting rise. So you have to rise above whatever is happening in your life. Move in a forward direction. That's the very simple message which I am getting, that you have to take a leap of faith. Let's see what are the messages from the Scared Creator Oracle deck for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Unstick the stuck. Okay, if you are stuck, see, again this is the message that if you are feeling stuck, you have to unstuck the stuckness and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Some of you are feeling stuck, so you don't have to feel stuck, Aquarius. In the beginning only I told you that you have to move in a forward direction and unstuck the stuck here. Unstick the stuck. Bravely market your magic. See, again this message is here which is telling me here, share your voice. You are having beautiful magic inside of you. You are having beautiful wisdom and the knowledge which you need to share with the world. Okay, so bravely you can, bravely you can share your voice with the world. Bravely market your magic, because you are the magic, Aquarius. If you don't know, I am going to tell you this. You can share your magic bravely. The good kind here. The good kind is here. So you are the good kind person. I know that. That's the message which I was getting here for you. Thank you for giving. And this is the new deck and it's very beautiful. I received it yesterday. Angel's Oracle card. So let's add some messages from this deck too. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading of Feb 2021. See, bottom of the deck I'm having teacher and the mentor. Okay, this card says Archangel Gabriel and angels say that it is a time for you to become a teacher and mentor by sharing the knowledge you have been blessed with over the course of this lifetime. time and lifetime, past lifetimes. I told you, many of you are the mystic healers, Aquarius. See, the message is same, that you need to share your voice, share your knowledge. This is a time where you can be a teacher, a mentor, a mystic healer. This is the time where the time has come to share your voice. You can share your voice with the world because you are having knowledge, you are blessed with the knowledge. Okay, a lot of knowledge is there with this lifetime and many past lives. So you are having beautiful knowledge inside of you. There is gratitude. Be in state of eternal gratitude. Count your blessings and be happy. Always have an attitude of gratitude, Aquarius. Say always thank you for those things which you are having in your life, because many of them are not having what you have. So always say thank you, universe, thank you, divine, thank you, God, for giving the beautiful things which you have given me into the world. And there is twin flame card. Beautiful card. Archangel Chamuel will bring you closer to your twin flame. Together the both of you will be more powerful than work on your life purpose. Many of you are going to meet your twin flame here, which I got the message here, that many of you are going to meet your twin flame and you both will work together on your life purpose here. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. I love it. Let's add some message from the Sweet Dreams cards. These are the mini cards and I love the messages which they have. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having intuition. I told you that you have to work through your intuition. Right now there is lot of intuition which is activated here and which is trying to guide you. So through your subconscious you have to trust your inner wisdom and intuition. There is inner child. I reconnect with my inner child through fun and play. Many of you have to reconnect with your inner child here. There is fearlessness. I pay close attention to my heart and mind. I do not allow the fear to distract me. You are brave, Aquarius. You are brave. Move in a forward direction with bravery and have courage to move in your forward direction. I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for this reading? A stranger grace. Ego fears the sudden danger but never underestimate the kindness of a loving stranger. Okay, so there is a stranger who is trying to help you out. Okay, who is very kind, who is very helpful, who is trying to help you out. So you have to be thankful that he is helping out or she is helping out. Okay, you don't have to you never have to underestimate if someone is trying to help you out, Aquarius. There is patience. Everything soon will come to light and then you will see the things will be at the right. Okay, because you are at the right place where you have to be. Okay, Aquarius, so have patience. These are the messages which I'm getting from this deck. Let's add some messages from Daily Healing card. I always love doing your reading because it is so powerful and so energetic that I feel awesome. I feel awesome, I can say that. Okay. Be aware that your thoughts and feelings are just as impactful as your action. That's right. Whatever your thoughts are, whatever you are thinking, that are going to manifest in your life. So think positively. Be careful what are your thoughts, what are you thinking, because that are going to manifest. Make clear, calm thinking your goal. Beautiful. Beautiful. You have to make a clear and calm thinking so that you can manifest your goal. If you are having confusion, then you will manifest that confusion in your life too. You are an I. You use this higher aspect of yourself to redeem your shadow aspects. Okay, many of you have to work on your shadow aspects. Okay, because of that you are not moving in a forward direction, but you do not have to stop at all, Aquarius. Okay, use your intuitions. Use your intuitions. Be brave and fearless and move in a forward direction, because You are the teacher, you are the mystic healer. The world is trying, the divine, the universe is trying to tell you that this is a time where you have to be a teacher or mentor. You have to share your voice, which is the very clear message from when the three decks. Okay, so share your voice, Aquarius. Many of you are going to meet your twin flame here, or some of you are in the twin flame journey too. Here, bravely market your magic. See, again, the same message is here from every deck, and that is you need to move in a forward direction. Okay, take action with the passion. You just need to say yes. Okay, say yes and move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. That's the very clear message which I am getting for you. Release any control, okay, if you are having it, and align and break the ancestral patterns. If you are if there is any ancestral patterns, if you can do the healing too. So these are the messages which I was getting for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. Wherever you are in the world, take care of yourself and see you soon.